Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Brawl Stars on your iOS device using a PlayStation 5 controller. First, make sure your DualSense controller has sufficient battery life. Then, navigate to the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone or iPad. To initiate pairing, press and hold the Create button and the PlayStation button on your controller at the same time until the light bar flashes. Finally, select DualSense Wireless Controller from the list of discovered devices to establish the connection. Once your PlayStation 5 controller is connected, open the Brawl Stars app. It's a good idea to check the in-game settings to ensure everything is recognized correctly. You can usually find control options within the settings menu. While Brawl Stars offers intuitive touch controls, using a physical controller can provide a more precise and comfortable experience, especially for competitive play. Take a moment to fine-tune your button layouts and sensitivity to match your playstyle. Playing Brawl Stars with a PlayStation 5 controller offers several advantages. You'll likely notice significantly improved aiming precision, thanks to the physical joysticks, which can be crucial for landing skill shots. This often translates to faster reaction times, giving you a competitive edge over opponents using touch controls. Furthermore, the ergonomic design of the controller provides a much more comfortable experience during longer gaming sessions, reducing hand fatigue. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your iOS device and the PlayStation 5 controller often resolves most connection problems. Always ensure your iOS operating system is up to date, as updates frequently include improved Bluetooth stability. To minimize interference, consider disconnecting other Bluetooth accessories while playing. For optimal performance and uninterrupted fun, remember to fully charge both your controller and your iOS device before diving into extended Brawl Stars sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.